Hey guys, it's Chloe. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. I recently made the switch from the OEM factory halogen headlights on my 3rd generation Tacoma to the OEM LED headlights. I posted a video about that a few weeks ago, and a lot of you wanted to know whether the switch was worth it, what the advantages and disadvantages were, and whether the LED headlights could fit on your specific 3rd gen Tacoma. So I'm going to do my best to cover in today's video everything I know about the OEM halogen headlights versus the OEM LED headlights for the 3rd generation Tacoma. So first off, if you're interested in getting new OEM headlights, or maybe you're upgrading your headlights to LEDs like I did with my Tacoma, Sparks Parts is definitely the place to go. That's where I got mine from, and right now on their headlights they're having a lot of discounts off of MSRP pricing. And not only that, I was also able to work with them for this video to get you guys a 5% discount off of any genuine OEM Toyota parts from their website. If you enter code CHLOECUO at checkout, you'll automatically get the discount applied to your order. I've talked about Sparks Parts on the channel before, but they're really my go-to for OEM parts for my truck. They always take the time to package their parts well, they ship out quickly, they have wholesale pricing, and they're great about returns. So I love them, and I know a lot of you guys here on the channel have also ordered from Sparks Parts and had great experiences with them, so highly recommend sparksparts.com. Okay, so times can change, but currently, as I'm making this video, there are 2 types of OEM headlights that Toyota makes for the 3rd generation of their Tacomas. So I'm going to do my best to give a breakdown or short summary on every single OEM headlight. There is one type of LED headlight that Toyota introduced in some of their 2020 and up TRD Off-Road, Sports and Limited, and another type that Toyota introduced in 2020 and up TRD Pros only. Those 2 specific LED headlights are really similar. You get an LED daytime running light that wraps around the headlight that also comes with a sequential turn signal, and of course your low beams are LED. The difference that you get on the TRD Pro LED headlights is that on the daytime running light, on the passenger side headlight, you get a TRD insignia, and on the driver's side you get a Pro insignia, so that if you're looking at the truck as a whole, the headlights will say TRD Pro. And of course this lettering illuminates and stands out, which is why it's exclusive to the TRD Pros. That's really the only difference though between the TRD Off-Road, Sport and Limited LED headlight and the TRD Pro LED headlight. Just a little bit of difference in the styling. I did mention that these came available only on the 2020 and up Tacomas, but as you can see, I actually have one here on my 2019 Tacoma. So they were an option for some of the earlier 3rd gen Tacomas, the 2016 through 2019 Tacomas, but it's possible to install them on these trucks as well. If you want to see how I did it on my truck, I'll have my previous installation video linked down below. Also linked down below, I'll have every single OEM headlight that I talked about in today's video. I know there's a lot, but hopefully this video can give you a good distinction of all of the different headlights we're talking about. Now let's talk about the other style of OEM headlights, the halogen version. There are 3 variations of the OEM halogen headlights from Toyota right now. There's ones for the SR and SR5. There's another version for the TRD Off-Road, Sport and Limited. And then there's one exclusive to the TRD Pros. Specifically the TRD Pros from 2016 to 2019. So the SR, SR5 version and the TRD Off-Road, Sport and Limited version all come with chrome styling on the inside of the headlight and a chrome bezel. However, the SR, SR5 version does not come with an LED daytime running light. Instead, there's this amber, I think it's considered a parking light, but it's used as the daytime running light. Whereas the TRD Off-Road, Sport and Limited and the TRD Pro versions have a J-shaped LED running light. The TRD Pro version is different than the TRD Off-Road, Sport and Limited version in the sense that you get black styling on the inside of the headlight instead of that chrome styling. It surprisingly makes the headlight look a lot more aggressive in my opinion. And then of course for all of these halogen headlights that I've been talking about, obviously your low beam is a halogen bulb. So that's kind of a quick summary on all of the different OEM headlights available for the 3rd generation Tacoma. If you want more information on any specific headlight, there is a wealth of information on TacomaWorld, which is where I've honestly learned a lot about these headlights. TacomaWorld has also been a great place for me to find some awesome people to make some conversion harnesses for my truck so that I can run these LED headlights. Again, check out my previous video to see what wiring harness I got. But if you're in need of a wiring harness, 2 great people to contact are Dave and Johnny from TacomaWorld. I'll have their information linked down in the description. They're really intelligent guys. Dave was the one who made the harness for my Tacoma, but Johnny makes the exact same ones. And they definitely know a lot more about these headlight conversions than I do, so thanks to both of them for helping me install a set of these LEDs on my truck. So I feel like that was a lot of comparison information I just talked about between all of the different headlights, but in this video I also wanted to make sure I specifically talked about the differences in performance when it comes to the OEM LED headlights and the OEM halogen headlights. So I have some comparison footage on my own truck from the halogen to the LED headlights, but before I show that footage, I just want to make it clear to you that when I say halogen, I'm referring to the 3 different halogen types, and when I say LEDs, I'm referring to the 2 different styles of LED headlights that Toyota sells for the 3rd gens. Because again, between the TRD Pro and TRD Sport, off-road and limited LED headlights, you're gonna get some styling differences, but performance differences are going to be pretty negligible. So hopefully that makes sense, but now here's some of my comparison footage. I would say overall that I think the output of the LEDs versus the halogens is actually pretty much the same. I think there's a big misconception out there that LEDs are brighter than halogen and therefore better, but you have to remember that these are all OEM headlights, so they have to be SAE approved, and the LEDs can't just be significantly brighter or else they're just not going to be road legal, and Toyota can't do that. So again, I would say that I personally didn't notice a light output difference going from halogen to LED. However, there was still a difference, and I'd say that that difference for me was really the color. With the halogens, you get a warm, light color, slightly more yellow, and with the LEDs, you get more of a cool, light color, closer to white. I actually like the white color better for driving at night. I think it gives me the illusion that road signs and the road itself is more clear, but I know for some people that warmer lighting can be more comfortable on the eye. So that's the biggest difference for me. It's not necessarily the light output or LEDs are brighter than the halogens. It's the fact that the LEDs provide a cooler white color, which I personally like better for driving. I know this video footage might not be 100% perfect, but I hope it gives you a good idea of what I see through my truck and all of the differences. The reason I wanted to make this video is because I'm someone who was only looking at upgrading to headlights if I could get an OEM version. And the reason for that is because OEM parts in general are durable, reliable, and they fit really well. That's not to say, of course, that aftermarket headlights won't fit well or perform well or hold up well over time, but going with OEM headlights, you're just gonna get a good quality headlight. And I've heard horror stories about other aftermarket headlights getting fogged up or water in them, and I've never heard that about an OEM headlight that hasn't been modified. So that's just my personal recommendation and why I specifically went OEM when I upgraded my headlights, but of course I'd love to know what you guys think as well. Thanks so much as always for watching. If you want more content from me, you can follow me on my Instagram. It is at ChloeKuoTaco. I post more in real time on there. Other than that, again, check out Sparks Parts and use my discount code ChloeKuo for 5% off any OEM parts. Thanks, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.